You obviously don't care about what's happening in the market today or the way that the street is reading this because you bought more calls today in Apple.
Well, I do care, of course, but I think the reality is they sold off Apple, and they've got the kind of growth, Scott. This is something that Patty, the producer, and I were talking about before the show. The growth that we are seeing now, this isn't the kind of growth that you normally see in these very mature companies. And I mean very mature companies now. Yes, they're big cap tech. They're the leadership. We all know that. And you're still growing revenue at 30 some odd percent, 36% for Apple. I mean, that's extraordinary. How about the fact that their margins are strong? Where are their margins strong? Well, you look at services, you look at wearables, you look at all the different categories where they continue to have growth. I think that there's a lot of reasons to look at these and say, you know what? The multiple might feel a little bit stretched, but look at the growth. Look at the growth across all the various categories, and you look at the gross margins. I think it makes you start to say, you know what? When they sold it off, I think they sold it off more than they needed to. As a matter of fact, I expected to see the stock go higher. It didn't. So that's why I bought those calls.
Yeah. So, Court, I guess, I don't know. The numbers are going to be hard to top. OK, I mean, if you want to knock it, knock that. Is it as good as it gets for the moment for those kind of revenue numbers? The stock had started to work again lately, so it did run up into the print. What do you make of the way that the stock is selling off today? Does it mean anything big picture?
Absolutely not. I think that what you're seeing here is maybe a little bit of trimming by folks that needed to take a little bit off the table. But ultimately, Apple is a name that you definitely want to be in for the long haul. At Loop Capital Markets, we actually raised our price target, as we should have. I think part of the sell-off as well was a little bit of tempering by the CFO, right? I mean, they're trying to manage expectations without giving formal guidance, right? And so whenever you think about that big G word, guidance, that actually takes precedent over oftentimes what actually was reported for the quarter. And so they pretty much said, don't expect what you saw. Although I think that they're maybe sandbagging a little bit. I do believe that when we think about that September quarter, we're going to see a tremendous amount of growth. I mean, you talk about the super cycle with the 13 coming out. You talk about 5G. You just talk about wearables. You talk about, I mean, we could keep going down the list. Apple has put so many irons in the fire to help move that company forward. As Pete was just talking about, I mean, ultimately, when you look at a company with where it is in its current cycle, Apple is still continuing to innovate. And I mean, I think that's what you're seeing with Google. It's what you're seeing with Microsoft and Azure. You're seeing companies that should be very, very mature and potentially sitting back on their laurels, not doing it. They're continuing to think about how they remain relevant, how they continue to grow, and how they continue to add value to shareholders.